This is part 2 of the giant explosion. And this is the biggest explosion in all history of Animal Company. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 full bags. In 10 full bags, guess what that equals? 200 RPG ammo. And we're gonna explode it all.
Guys, I just hit a landmine. It didn't blow up.
Wait, there's
Guys, we're getting ready. Who wants to get in?
Positions.
Get in your ready positions.
Okay, bet.
Dang, who's going in?
Me.
Okay, everybody get in the explosion if you want some fun. 3, 2, 1.
He's so stupid.
Okay. Try 2, 3.
Wait, no, stop. No. We gotta wait for Carter.
Somebody, Jesse killed me, bruh.
I
Okay,
didn't kill you.
3, 2, 1. Go. Ah! Huh?
I don't see anything.
It's glitched.
I got this.
Bro, my game's glitched. All these are still here.
Stop.
Bro, my game glitched. The explosion was so big, my game glitched out.
I'm trying to make a blow
We
up.
didn't even see an explosion. Ours didn't
we're
even
all
blow
sort
up.
Guys, look at it.
No, like they're still here, but they're not.
What's happening?
They're going everywhere.
Ow.
Okay, well, we're gonna do try
happening?
3. We can trashed our games.
Alright, get in.
Ah! Help! Oh, shoot! Ah!
Help me.
Help! No! My internet! It's great! It's going crazy!
Help! I can't.
Oh my gosh.
I can't move! It's going crazy! My internet! It's going crazy!
No, give me my gun. Give me my
No,
gun.
you can move! My internet's going crazy!
I shot all of them. I shot them and it went.
Bro, my internet's going crazy!